Hello, I'm Melanie Cambridge. If you've never painted before and you've always wanted to learn, then this video, You Can Paint, is a great place to start. I have designed the course especially with you in mind, starting from the very beginning, how to hold a brush and make different brush strokes, mix colours and paint simple shapes, before we move on to two exercises, one a still life and the second a landscape with poppies.
Here's the finished painting of the still life with jug and fruit, which I will guide you through step by step.
And finally, we shall be painting this beautiful poppy landscape, again working step by step with all the information you need to help you mix the colours and create a successful painting.